Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at gold. So we're trading up into this distribution level up here. Let's mark that up on the daily. What I want to do with the video is just do a quick top down and give you my take on this. Have a look at this left. We've got the low of this candle here on the daily, right where we're trading at the moment. So daily resistance. Let's quickly go out to the weekly, have a look at that, and just see what we've got here. See if we can pick up. Yeah, look back here. See, we've had a few touches here on the weekly, so we can actually nail that. So we've got this daily weekly combo, level week. If we go down to the lower time frame, that'll make sense. So let's just go down to the 4 hour. I'm looking for a trade opportunity here, and I think there's going to be two opportunities that present. Okay, so we've got this level here. See how it's reacting off this at the moment, rejected, actually spiked through. Okay, so it's attacking buy-side liquidity above here. We've got this daily distribution level here, and this candle here, I guess I could pick up the body. Probably prefer to pick up the high. We'll take it down to the body on the 4H, that'll do, because it's this range in here that I'm interested in, and this high. So we've got this 4 hour distribution level through here, 4 hour sell. Be careful, because we've got this daily back here, and I mean, you know, does this push through looking for liquidity above in here? Here's the thing, have a look at this candle here. I'm going to pick up the candle high left, the candle low on the right. So we've got this price gap. My question is, you know, does this look to trade back through this gap? Looking for, down here, we've got this balance area. I'll just grab the candle body, 4H. Does it look to trade back down through this gap, looking to rebalance? We've had a bit of a stab at it here. It could head in either direction, so I do have a plan of attack with this, and it would be something like, actually, if we go down to the lower time frame, I'll show you what I mean. And look, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, we'll go down to, say, let's go to a 5-minute time frame. If you haven't already, click the link below and join my free Telegram group. I'd love to see you in there. And the other thing is, have a look at the other link, We Trade Your Forex account. Click on that and you'll see some interesting history and statistics. Righto, back to the chart. Kind of thing I'm looking for with this is an opportunity to possibly short. Actually, I kind of jumped the gun a little bit. We could go from the 4 hour, fib retrace from the low to the high. See this yellow zone, 61.8 to 786. A move down in here would interest me. So we trade through this gap, we look to rebalance. And given that we've got this breakup structure bullish, now we have this trend on the 4H here. Does it retrace looking for liquidity under in the form of all these stop losses that are sitting under here? We've got retail traders jumping in all over the shop, and you know, a build-up of stops under. So they've had a bit of a stab at it here. Do they force it up to trap more traders long and then take it down and take out their stops? And then we get that. That's what's going through my mind at the moment when I'm looking at this. So look, with that in mind, here's the thing. Now let's go down to, now we'll go down to the 5-minute, and I'll show you what I'm looking for here. We'll just take these two out. So here's an idea. Trading through the Asian session at the moment, and if we pick up this, we've got the London Open kicking off at my time 19:00. So I'm just going to mark that up, London Open. And I'm always interested, London Session Open, to watch this as it trades into the London Open. What I would like to see, and this is what will get me involved short, would be if we see something like this, a bit of a range. The kind of price action I'm looking for would be, you know, if we see this continue with this range, but we get something like this, that's the sort of thing I'm hoping for. Generally, you're going to see, as we trade into the London Open, some kind of a move, you know, out of the range, and quite often we're going to see this attacking both sides. And if they're going to short it, I call it the fakey shaky. So we get this fake out, shake out, and if that happens, just watch it around the London Open, Session Open, and see if it trades up into it like this, and then we see it rotate. That's possibly the opportunity. If we see it on the lower time frame, I'd be looking at that on a 3-minute chart. If we start to see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs forming, look, I could get technical about this, but we see price gaps forming on the lower time frame, and then it retraces back up, fills it, and we get a lower high. That's what I'm saying. I mean, if you can follow that, that'd be great. Otherwise, yeah, just wait and see if that forms. Now, if this doesn't shape up as I've more or less drawn it here, then I probably would let this go. I wouldn't be interested in buying at this level given how far it's extended and the fact that we got this price gap under and the imbalance and the fact that we're trading into a big level. Look at this orange level here. It's this 4-hour distribution level. I mean, it's had a couple of goes at it, but that's what I'm looking for. Now, keep an eye out also for movements around, especially these session times. We've got the Asia close. I think it's about 20 on my time here, Sydney, Australia. So we got the Asia close around about here. I always mark these up so that I can, it gives me a bit of a roadmap, because you're going to find the market tends to react around these session times. And then, of course, we got the New York Open later on, and we'll just grab that New York session open, and it's Sydney 2400 time, 23. This is Sydney time, so I'm thinking about something like that. I think it's 2300. I never trade into the New York. I'm in bed by then. Mark up these times and expect the market to price to react around these levels. So guys, that's my take on gold at the moment. If this doesn't shape up, let it go. If this trades down into the London Open and then we see a rotation, I don't think I'd be interested in going long with this. I'm more interested in seeing if we get a decent pullback back down in here, and then that's my buy opportunity back down in this, around this balance area down here. With that, I'll wrap it up. If you haven't already, as I mentioned, Telegram and We Trade Your Forex account, have a look at those links, and I hope you have a great day. See, we're getting a bit of a push out here. Now watch out. Safe trading. See you in the next one.